The St. Louis area has always been my home, and it always will be my home. What I hold dear about Troy, Illinois is the people in Troy and the surrounding area. It's those Midwestern values that are so important to me. It's basically my family, and I want to provide my family with the very best possible dentistry that dentistry has to offer, which means I have to be the very best dentist that I possibly can be. I'm always doing continuing education, expounding upon my surgical skills, so that I can be the best possible, do the best possible surgery that I can do.
Any patient that comes into our office in Troy Family Dental of Illinois can see that the technology we have is above and beyond, and we're state of the art. I feel like you have to have this kind of technology to give the best treatment to the patient and to best serve the community. So when I was moving into dental school, I was carrying some furniture down the hall, and it hit the doorway, and it actually broke my two front teeth right in the center. It made me want to cover my mouth when I smiled. So I actually myself chose to get veneers on my teeth. And the day that I got them, I was able to smile and feel better about myself. And from then on, I just knew that I want to make sure that all my patients feel that way. I don't want anyone to be conscious about their smile, or feel that they can't go for a job interview, or feel that they can't go out in public to eat, or have a relationship with a loved one. I just want their experience to be good. There's so many patients that have had bad experiences growing up, and they don't go to the dentist because of it. And I want them to feel like very comfortable when they come here, so that they don't ever have to worry about having that bad experience.
Our most important core value is really in relationships and family. We have 23 staff members here, and we are not only a team, but we are a family. And we are that way with our patients also. And that's why it's so special here, because every one of these staff members treat patients like their family. They treat them the way they would want to be treated. It's very important that all of us, all 23 staff members and the 2 doctors, are on the same page. Every morning before we start seeing patients, we spend 15 minutes in a huddle discussing what we have going on that day. Or we always start off with, we ask one staff member, what was the best thing that happened yesterday as far as patient care goes? So everybody is ready, and that's how we start our day off, on a positive note, with how we help somebody, and then that just sets the tone for the entire day. The environment that we like to create here is, it is professional, but it also is a fun environment. So even when we are in an operatory with a patient, we like to joke with each other and have fun. We get to know patients individually. A lot of times before we even start, we'll spend 5 or 10 minutes just talking to the patient, having a good time and conversing with each other.